And starting with some breaking news coming in, Sameer Thakkar, who was arrested by Mumbai police for his tweets on Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and son Aditya Thackeray, has now been sent to 6-day custody. Remember, he was earlier granted bail by a Nagpur court, following which he was rearrested, and now he has been remanded to a 6-day custody. So big breaking development coming in as far as this case is concerned. He was arrested by Mumbai police for making objectionable comments against Chief Minister and his son Aditya Thackeray. He was granted bail on Monday in a Nagpur court. Soon after getting the bail, he was rearrested by Mumbai police. Then he was produced in court. First arrested on 24th of October, was in police custody till October 30th. And now he's been remanded to 6-day custody. Yasha, my colleague, joining us with more details on the phone line. Yasha, this is never ending, right? The kind of treatment that is being meted out by the Mumbai police, despite him being granted bail by a Nagpur court, he was rearrested, and the torture follows.
What we've seen,
We'll reconnect with Yasha in just a bit. She's tracking the latest developments in the story. He's been remanded to a 6-day custody now. But it's absolutely shocking, the kind of treatment he's being given by the Mumbai police. Yasha is back with us. Yasha, you were saying?
what we've seen today is that a complaint has been filed with the National Human Rights Commission. Over the last 2 days, the developments that have been observed were that Sameer Thakkar, when he was also released by Nagpur, was instantly arrested
Yasha,
by the
come back
Mumbai
to you.
police.
We're being joined by Sameer Thakkar's brother also on the phone line. Sir, no bail for Sameer Thakkar. Nagpur कोर्ट के रिलीफ के बावजूद उनको रीअरेस्ट करा गया. अब कस्टडी एक्सटेंड हो गई है.
ये आप सबके सामने देखने को है कि नागपुर कोर्ट में पहले उसके किस तरीके से पेश किया गया. 4 days, then again 3 days, 7 days custody in Nagpur. Then again yesterday re-arrested from Nagpur court by Mumbai VP Road police. And today the Mumbai police got the PCR till 9th of November. It's a travesty. It's a black day for a freedom of expression. One can't explain what I'm going to and what my family is going to. It's all to see.
And how do you plan to take this forward, sir? Because all of this has happened over tweets that he put out against the Chief Minister and his son.
Yes, we are moving to Apex Court for the justice. We are moving to the Apex Court for the justice. A matter is vested. We are pleading for early hearing from the Apex Court in this matter.
And a lot of support has been pouring in also for Sameer Thakkar, Rishi Thakkar ji. A lot of support that has been coming in because this does not seem logical at all. On Twitter, the platform where he raised his opinion and said certain things against the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and his son, that's the platform that has been given for the very same reason, for people to voice their opinion, and everyone is entitled to an opinion. This is absolutely bizarre what's been happening since the past so many days.
That's what is all of us to see. A case at different police station and a multiple FIR has been launched just to harass a common citizen. I don't know what the CM and his son is fearing from my brother. I just don't. I don't have words to explain why they are doing so, what they are fearing from my brother, and what is threat to his government for. Anyways, we are moving to the Supreme Court.
Many thanks, Rishi Thakkar ji, for speaking to us. Yes. Well, of course, it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate what's happening. He was granted bail. Soon enough, he was rearrested. Now he's been sent to 6-day custody. We wish you all the best, and hopefully there will be good news coming in soon. But for the moment, thank you for speaking to us.